Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OAuth in NocoDB apps connected to Google Sheets step by step clearly. Start by logging into your NocoDB account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the project where you want to integrate Google Sheets. Locate the Data Sources section in the left sidebar. Click on that Add Data Source button. From the list of available data sources, select Google Sheets. You will be prompted to authenticate your Google account. Click on the Authenticate button to initiate the OAuth process. A new window will appear requesting access to your Google account. Sign in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you will see a list of permissions that NocoDB requests. Review these permissions carefully to ensure you are comfortable. If everything looks good, click the Allow button to grant access. You will be redirected back to the NocoDB interface. Your Google Sheets account is now successfully authenticated. Next, enter the details of the Google Sheet you want to connect. Specify the spreadsheet ID, which can be found in the Google Sheets URL. You may also need to enter the specific range you want to work with. Click Connect to establish the link between NocoDB and your Google Sheet. Once connected, you can now start using your Google Sheets data within NocoDB. Make sure to test the connection to ensure everything is working as expected. You have now successfully set up OAuth authentication for Google Sheets in NocoDB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.